Hi friends, welcome to my Learning Points YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss about PHP strings. In our last video, we discussed about PHP data types. If you missed that video, please go through once so it will be more helpful to understand this video. So today we will discuss about PHP string. Basically, string is a collection of character. It can contain alphanumeric character. While declaring string variable, we need to set the value within a double or single inverted comma. So here you can see I used single inverted comma to declare $str1, and for str2 I used double inverted comma and this is blank, and for str3 I am using double inverted comma. Okay, so these all three are strings. Now if you want to print string, just echo $str1 so we can see the output. So here is the output, hello PHP. We have just echo str1 so we can see the output hello PHP. In the same way, we can concatenate multiple string variable. So for concatenation, we need to use dot. So using dot, we can write str2, we can write str3 also. So if we write these things and try to print all three variables at a time, this will be the output. So hello PHP developer. So hello PHP, and there is a space, and this space is for this and the next developer. So if you want to add manual space, or if you want to add something within a variable, so we can write this way. We can use PHP colon, means whatever we can write in inverted comma we can write, and we need to concatenate with dot operator. So our output will be PHP colon hello PHP developer. So just replace it, PHP colon hello PHP developer. So we can understand how to declare string and how to print string. So here we can see some PHP functions, that is strlen, strwordCount, implode, str, all are the PHP functions, and we don't need to write these functions. All our functions are already included in PHP library. So we just want to use it, and we want to know how to use these functions. So I am describing some functions with an example. So here we can see $str1 is a string variable, and in this variable we have stored hello PHP. Now I want to display the length of the string. To display the length of the string, we need to use strlen. So we have to echo these things to print. So now strlen, and inside this function's argument we are passing the string variable. So if we display this, what will be the output? Here we can see the output as 9. String length also counts the space also. Another example we can use to count the number of words in a string. So to count this, we can use strwordCount. This is very simple. strwordCount, with the use of strwordCount function, we can see the number of words inside the string. So the output is 2, that is 1 hello, and second one is PHP, hello PHP. In the same way, you will get the huge number of inbuilt functions. You can get all string reference in PHP official website, php.net. So in this page you will get all the PHP functions and uses. You can check my website also, learningpoints.in. Here you need to just click on PHP tutorial and you have to go the PHP strings. So you can see the PHP strings related things, and there is some example also. You can get the full PHP string reference here. Just to click PHP string reference. You can see some examples and the PHP functions with the output. So here you can see all those things. So friends, we have got some idea about string and some PHP string functions. In our next tutorial, we will learn about PHP array and these array related functions with some example. If you got any help from this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you. We'll see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye.